SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off grayscale on iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If your iPhone screen is currently in grayscale, like mine is now, then all of the content that you see on your screen is going to be in black, white, or gray. However, if you no longer want your phone to look like this, then you can turn off grayscale by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the accessibility option from this menu, and then you can choose display and text size at the top of this screen. Now you just need to scroll down through this menu until you find the color filters option, and then you can select that. Now you should see that grayscale is selected from the different color filter options, so if you want to switch it to a different color filter, then you can use one of those options there. Or if you would like to turn off the color filtering entirely, then you can just tap the button to the right of color filters, and it's going to go back to the standard display mode. Now if you go back to an app or your home screen, you should see that it should be back to the full color spectrum and no longer in the grayscale mode that it was in before.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.